Yeah, I'm clearing OBS.
All I
so-
saw was like the loading screen, and it just said "game," all caps.
Game in all caps.
Game. Where the frick am I?
Use headphones.
Oh yeah, hey Char, good.
Something is
Char's
clearly
actually-
broken.
Oh, I just saw eyes for a second. What the hell?
Oh,
Something is very clear.
Skip it.
I run like X
Skip.
space.
I
Oh,
I have no buttons to press.
Oh,
What the
maybe
frick?
You just too lag.
Cedar,
never
it
mind,
didn't
before.
put me in the cutscene. I'm just
Johnny,
here.
There's a- yeah, because we chose the level.
It's so.
Char, if you don't
No,
choose
I
the
I
first-
could like. Wait.
if-
Huh?
Bro,
What's
they
going
look
on?
We didn't choose the first level, so there's no cutscene. I know.
Yeah, no, it's
Yeah,
not
so
just
I
that.
painted my face.
Was I supposed to just be like inside the pile of all of us?
Stick
Or
with
the
screenshot,
you have white
Char.
eyes in there. What the heck?
Yeah.
What supposed to happen? Okay.
Bro, oh like, why is he tall?
Funny.
That felt pretty scuffed.
Trey can look around, but he's just standing there. Is Evan? Facts. Is Evan even in
Almost.
existence? Oh yeah.
Can I
It says
exist?
I
Game.
just got like.
Did I
into
just
the
start
bubble
walking
block
into a
place.
wall? Oh,
Yeah.
Still, look at my face.
Okay, okay, let's go.
Let's go.
What about it?
Max, you know how to
I
speed run?
cannot stand still.
Oh yeah, that's how you crouch
Alright.
again. I forgot.
That's funny. Okay. Yeah, Charlie, we
Run.
can just run over there and then just like crouch
Run.
and get to the like, the
Hello.
The exit we can't. That's where
Okay,
we
Get
That
off my
little
screen.
girl there.
Baby girl, baby girl.
Oh, crouch.
Squirrel.
Crouch time.
She kind of bent over like that,
And
but
if
she's
she
good.
runs into you, she'll get you.
If it's not
Crouch
all
walk
the
or
time.
walk
always.
walk?
Not always, but sometimes.
She's come back. She come back. She come back.
She coming back.
She's looking to be on the left.
Oh,
She's always
Bubble
on the
Coral.
left.
Evan Bubble
Most
Coral.
likely. Oh,
Bubble girl.
Boba. What was I?
Baba.
Bro, don't look at me like that. Don't look at me like that.
Baba. Baba Yaga. It's Baba
Evan.
Yaga.
Evan, don't you
the
move.
frick-
Oh.
Dude, Evan just immediately moves. Yeah, sure. That'd be fun. Where are we
Ring day.
going?
Ooh, that distracts her because it makes noise. The phone makes noise. Damn.
If you have to, you can
Well, that's
get
awkward.
lockers, and that doesn't attract her.
Oh, like this one?
Yeah,
I
but
didn't know that she could hear the drawers.
I didn't know that either.
They make noise. I never knew this.
But she doesn't notice when you get in a locker?
Can you just like sprint to a locker and be safe?
Yes.
I guess.
Am I safe?
Not full guarantee.
No.
Get out of the way. Get out of the
Lockers
way.
It's
don't
not-
work.
It's not 100 guarantee, but
Whistle, someone whistle.
No one whistled.
Why did you guys
Oh.
whistle?
Someone. Hello,
What was that from me?
gamer.
Bro, Evan, I remember I told Evan like lockers aren't useful. He gets out of a locker, instantly dies.
I just saw.
Oh, hi there,
saw
boy.
some-
Bubble Coral.
Hey,
Don't
hey
do
there.
it.
Where the frick? Where?
Bubble
What are
Coral's
we-
over there.
Where are you going?
Sorry, we have to find keys in drawers.
Okay. Do we have to be crouched right now?
You should.
If you don't
probably-
see her, you're
Oh,
probably
she's
fine.
going to the main room.
Shoot.
Okay, Charlie, you want to choose
Yeah.
ones? I can go to the other one.
Bubble Coral.
Okay.
don't do
What
it.
do I do if she's coming?
Someone whistle, please. Someone whistle, please.
Max, I can see you through the wall.
Kissing me.
No, bro.
I found a
whistled at
key.
No hiding spot. Found
Oh,
a key. Good
Try
job.
got a key. Okay, go
First
very.
drawer I opened.
Okay, go really carefully. Evan, right there.
Evan's the only one that died.
Okay, follow
Evan-
me, Charlie.
Bubble Coral.
Cannot
Bubble
catch a
Coral.
break.
Don't do
If
it.
you
Bubble
die,
Coral.
we proactively restart the level, right, Maxo?
Huh?
I found.
Isn't
I just
it-
opened one,
Isn't it?
and I
If
found.
he has a key and
Check
you
the
die,
corner.
we
Check
I
the
got
corner.
3
Where's he
more
coming?
lives.
She coming?
Because-
She coming?
She's coming. Just.
She's
Don't do it,
coming.
Bubble
Whistle,
Coral.
I'm whistling. I'm
She's
whistling.
coming.
Dude, Evan, we have to go into your direction.
What does whistling do?
It makes noise.
Makes
And she makes noise and she's attracted to noise. Very attractive.
Okay, so where are we going?
there's a
See
lock
this
over
gate
there.
over here?
Gate? Okay.
There's 3
Okay, go
locks
to
at the
the
bottom.
gate
Go
now.
there and click on one of them, and it will. unlock
Okay.
it.
Will she come all the way to the wall? Okay, no, it's
if-
probably fine.
Just tell me. Hey, Max, didn't that make noise?
What?
The
Yeah, my.
She's really chilling here, huh?
oh no, if you unlock it, I can whistle and get her attention.
Okay.
Never mind. Too
She's
close to
leaving.
me.
She's leaving.
Okay, unlock
Key,
it.
got a
She's
key.
far enough away from you.
Hello, key.
Oh my
hello,
gosh.
key.
I got it. I got it.
Okay, good. Evan,
Hey,
you got a
Evan,
key?
big squirrel's right there.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
This is.
Don't
Who is
sniff me.
sniffing? Who's
Oh, it's
sniffing?
Baby squirrel.
Big Quarrel.
Baba girl.
Is she still
Big
there?
curl.
Baba squirrel.
Baba Quarrel.
Baba girl. Baba Quirrell?
We
Yeah,
have
Baba
many
Squirrel.
names.
That is the worst. You're not coming towards me, are you?
Wait, Chuck, keep an eye on her. If she comes to where I went
She's
through-
coming back where you are. She's coming back your direction.
Oh,
Kills a black.
Maxwell?
What? What do you want me to do?
Just
Why,
saying.
why do you call her Baba Quirrell?
Because that's
Cause
what.
she bent down like that.
What?
I don't know.
You could have called her step sis.
You could have
No.
called her like Gertrude or something. I don't know.
I don't like going to locker. It's my free action. Oh my god!
Oh, oh, Evan, you
Why
died
is it
3
always
times. You're
Evan?
the only person who died.
It's always Evan.
It's not even
Evan
my
is
fault.
dying, bro.
No!
Evan's just.
Stop.
Why is there a flash just floating there?
Baba Quirrell's still there.
Someone died there.
And
Cedar.
why don't we ask? Why don't we ask it what its name is?
He went inside the cedar.
Oh,
The one inside the
I mean,
cedar.
no, Max, don't worry, Max. I am a black figure also.
Wait,
so I don't think
wait,
she'll
my
notice
key's
me.
Sus.
gone.
Yeah, I know, you died, you lose your key.
Does that, Max, does
Okay,
that mean-
my
Cedar, I'm
key
gonna be
is
honest.
found in
Cedar,
the
I have to
second
be honest with you. The
door
first
room.
time I ever looked at your character,
Yeah, Charlie.
I straight up thought it was like, if you stand still for too long, does she know where you are?
No.
It seems like she does.
Oh, Cedar baby squirrel was approaching.
I know, I ran over there the second she opened, and then I turned around and
Because
she was
I-
just there.
I
Okay,
stood
she's
still
coming
for a
back
pretty
to
long
you.
time, and then she ran to where I was.
Yeah, I found
it
the
was
key.
weird.
I found the key, guy.
I would just. Oh, you found a key?
Wait,
Baba
you-
Quirrell's baby
she's
Quirrell.
over here.
Baba Quirrell's there. She's there. She's
What?
there. She's there. She's there.
By the
What
way,
the frick? Don't you
can-
come towards me.
You can
Don't
hold
stay
more
away
than
from
2
me.
keys.
Bitch.
You can hold 2 keys or more.
Wait,
She's going back. She's
wait.
going back. Going back. She's going straight.
Straight.
She's come back.
Where
Why
are
she
you?
Just chill.
Is she coming where we're at?
Yeah,
She's
oh,
going straight from the gate. Oh, she took a left.
That almost that.
She's-
She was like,
I'm-
bro, she took
I'm in the
that.
other area.
Why,
Evan?
You said she was at the gate.
Evan,
You said she was at the gate.
No,
I
she was
said
going-
straight from the gate.
Oh, baby squirrel.
Max, you actually did get this one right here, Maxo.
Why are you coming straight for me?
Baby squirrel. What the?
If she's coming,
Hey, see her, she's heading your direction.
I am one with the black figure. Move.
You know what to do? You know what to do to distract her? Oh god, I already forgot the riff.
Wait,
Quick,
Evan,
Cedar,
when he died,
remind
you dropped
me.
the key down.
Weezer.
Evan, when he
do the
died,
Weezer.
you dropped the key on the ground. So I just picked it up and we're going.
We're going?
We're going. Go to the next level.
Frick, Baba Quirrell, Baba Quirrell, Baba Quirrell,
No?
Baba Quirrell.
Yeah.
What's the
we
what's
got
the
all the keys.
what's the Weezer riff again?
The Weezer?
Cedar, you remember, right? She's right there, Cedar. She's right there.
She won't notice, Maxo. She won't notice. I did it.
Run, 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 run,
I
run.
actually did
Can
it.
she get in here? She can get in
No,
here.
she can't. She can't get in, but just don't get really. Wait, someone already got. Evan already got.
I'm
it.
stuck.
Damn it. Wait, Max did it. I thought that was Evan.
Yeah, I did it.
I'm
bro.
stuck.
No, you
I'm
can't,
stuck.
You can't go in that direction, Charlie. It's weird because it like blocked off
Oh.
for some reason.
Uh,
If you, oh, hi there, Max.
Already
If you go
did
to
these.
room, just book it to the room.
I'm gonna do this one too.
Unless you've got really far across.
is
and,
Baba Quirrell like
crawl.
right outside? Or Gertrude, or whatever you want to
Boo.
call her. You scare me.
You press 4
Dude,
buttons.
what the frick is the Weezer riff? I remember how to play it, I don't remember what it sounds like. I'm gonna try it.
Where's Baba Quirrell?
She's right
Hi there, Baba Quirrell. Hi there. How
Oh.
you going?
I was just running right there. Hey, no hard feelings, right?
Dude, I'm just running to door as fast as I can.
Cedar, you remember the Weezer? I
Yeah.
can go in the group chat and find it. I'm gonna do that.
Do it.
Bro, we got
Someone
a
get to the
Weezer.
exit. Someone get to the exit.
We got a Weezer it. We got a
I'm on my
Weezer
way.
this thing.
Okay, Evan's going to the
Evan.
exit.
If you only have like one life left, don't you?
Yeah, he has 1 life left, so.
But Charlie's new here. You died once yet. None of us have, except you.
I got it. It's hold on, let me get it.
Charlie's trying to play the Carl Weezer. Oh, we got
I
it.
opened it.
Go through it, Evan.
Evan, go through it. Save us.
Now we just have to wait in our room.
Someone whistle! Someone whistle now! Someone!
Oh, I can't.
Where the frick? Where? I was trying to figure out the Weezer.
I'm trying to distract her, so I'm doing this.
I'm the wicked wiener.
What's the down? What's whistle? Isn't it down?
Well, for me, it's H, so I'm
why?
It's like
Fuck.
isn't it like down on the D-pad?
No, why?
Bubble
Why?
Pearl over there.
Well,
Baba Squirrel.
Okay, Evan, did you make it yet? Seriously, for real.
I'm at the very bottom of the staircase.
Go through the
I
door.
see the light. I
we just
said
get distracted.
I'm close to the very end of the staircase.
I think it's fun that me and Max are both whistling, so she's going to Max and back to me, then Max back to me.
Okay,
I was also
man.
whistling.
Oh, this one's the
Oh,
easier one.
no entities on this one.
This one's the easier
How to play?
No,
I
I'm
don't
kidding.
want that. Go away.
Yeah, Charlie, this is literally a maze, and I have the maze memorized, so this is like the easiest one.
Yeah, that's
Oh,
fine.
let's go.
There's no entities, no like
There's no threats
octopus
in this
in
one
it.
either, so
There's like Squidward
Is Bob
in
here?
Oh yeah, Bob. I'm pretty sure Bob is in every single one, Maxo.
He's
Is
in
it-
everyone.
Yeah, but
Wow.
he's in every area. But he literally all he does is jump scare you. Nothing else he does.
Try to bet.
Cool. If I turn around, will Bob be there?
No, Bob. I'm pretty sure on this level was like one of the rarer ones. Or I don't. He might not. Maxwell.
What?
Oh no. Sorry. After this one's the one that I hate the most.
The cave?
Is
That
it-
one's not that bad.
The one with the. Skin.
Is it the one that's like? Is it the one that has like, the cave?
It's where it's like.
Okay. Does this game have the one where it's like completely dark and you're all
Yes.
alone?
Yes.
But you're not all
Actually-
alone.
Oh,
but pretty,
that's
pretty
lovely.
much.
Not all alone, but has lights out.
And it has.
What
oh,
about the hotel where
Oh.
you're all alone?
In this game, I mean, I don't know, Charlie. There's a new update, so all we know that could be in the game now.
Yeah. Oh, in the cutscene when you beat the
Wait,
game, it
where
says
did
to
you
be
go,
continued.
Cedar?
You did that.
Charlie, we're good. Wait, you're actually you're right. In the final
And-
cutscene, it's you entering a hotel.
Yeah, and then it cuts off to be continued.
Yeah.
We are in a cave.
Yeah, this is the cave we're in. There's
Bro.
a what we could call it the skin taker. He just kills you and takes your form. Pretty
I
much.
know what those do.
Yeah.
Don't
It's
they
a
like?
double banger.
Yeah.
Double
Wait a
banger.
minute. First, I think when your avatar is really tall, it just shrinks him back down to a normal size, so we will know who's who.
Oh,
It's-
so that's easy.
because Evan and Charlie are halfway in the ground. Because you guys are super tall.
Oh.
Like your feet are in the ground.
Yeah.
It is I.
Let's get going, guys.
Baba booey. What?
Let's get skedaddling.
What'd I do?
Should we have groups or should we all just go in one group?
All one.
Let's split up.
Okay, me and Evan, the two Chads, I guess.
Chad's and the furries. Let's go.
Chad's versus furries. Who will
more
win?
Like, more like reverse. More like help.
Who will not die? That's
help.
all.
I'm gonna run out of stamina.
Yeah, if you run out, just tell me and I can just stop running with it for you.
I'm running low, I can tell.
Yeah.
So how do we know when the skin taker's
Bro,
near?
Evan, stop running.
It's
Like,
just
save it for the
pale
raid.
white until he gets you.
You what?
That's
He's
Caleb,
pale
bro.
white.
Stop turning into Caleb.
Oh. Love
Come on, Evan. It's not over
I
there.
remember when we were playing this with Caleb and he was like, no, not Caleb. It was Eli and he was like a little baby.
What? I'm running
Wait.
low on stamina.
Caleb is the one that sounds like.
Oh, I found the exit.
Oh,
Oh hey,
Oh,
can we just
sick.
leave?
Yeah, we can.
Yes.
It's one.
Great.
oh, wait,
I'm running low,
Evan.
low.
Don't worry, Charlie.
It's
If
run.
don't worry, Charlie. If one person goes
Oh,
through, everyone goes.
I know
Okay.
it. I know
I got
it.
that figured out.
Oh, it's this one. Everyone just run. Don't look behind you. You'll die.
Evan.
Everyone.
What if we run out of stamina?
You just have to stop and for a bit,
Evan.
and then
What do
just
we do?
and wait a few seconds, and I hear him.
Haha, we're making this spider past us. Bro, he's using a frog.
Wait, what, Maxwell?
Yeah, he passed us.
Oh, it's after me.
Is that the exit? That's the exit. That's the
No,
exit.
sorry.
Actually,
No,
it's
sorry.
not.
No, no,
It's
no.
not.
Now you guys have to suffer.
The exit is when a big empty hallway is just exits and it's over and over.
Look,
and
he's
over.
clearing all the shit away.
It's after me.
Yeah, he's after you guys. They were behind you.
Oh no. I hear him. That's the scarier part.
Which way do I go?
Oh,
Hey, Trey,
That's not the way.
you might be chasing Charlie.
Bro, why did you do like that?
How to play this game?
Ronnie.
Oh, okay. I feel safe now because he's to my left.
I
So
feel like
I might.
he's chasing me.
Yeah, Charlie. I think he's more like chasing me, but he's just behind you.
Oh, we're getting a booty pit. Running right behind him.
He's kind of lucky.
Oh, I
just
found
jump
him.
over
That's why I
like
found
anything.
him. Man, I thought
He's-
the hallway the exits.
He's as fast as you are as walking. Or like a little bit faster than walking.
He's like, Charlie, he's like an AI in games. When you walk, he's faster than you. When you run, you're faster than him. It's annoying.
Yeah.
Oh, lovely.
So you should have plenty of time. The music just has to pressure you.
What
And
the
it-
frick? Which way do I go? Which way do I go? Okay. I hear a lot of crashing to my left.
Okay,
I don't have to turn that way.
No. I mean, if you do, you're. That means you're not gonna die.
Yeah, that's why you keep your distance.
Yeah, don't go against the walls. You just die. If he passes you.
Okay,
Right.
you train
There's
up.
the exit.
Hit it, hit it.
You're fine. He's not
He's
behind you.
chasing me, I think. Oh, we got it. Okay, that
Hey
that
guys,
level
I have a
wasn't
question.
that
Can we
bad.
restart so I can get all my lives back?
No.
It's
no.
pretty.
No, let's get lights out first. This one,
Let's just see if